Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog. And syempre, this one is a sit-down vlog tayo right now. And definitely, I want to talk about a PS Bank mobile app. Meron rin akong story time dito. And this app actually saved me back then, especially during the pandemic yon. So nakakatawang story to. 'Di ba, alam niyo naman na I am very cashless. I don't like bringing cash kasi mas gusto kong cashless, gusto ko credit cards, gusto ko either mobile money or ganon. So during the pandemic, if you've been following me for a long time, nakita niyo yan, either pa-post ko yan sa TikTok or sa IG ko. Meron ako one time na sa mall ako, way back to mga 2022, yung kaka-reopen pa lang ng mundo dahil sa pandemya na yan. And then, itong mall na to, syempre, paglabas mo, kailangan mong bayad ng parking, di ba? And then, guys, yung panahon na to, di ba, hindi pa masyado uso yung mga QR payment, mobile money. So, talagang cash lang siya. Ganon. So, sabi ko, oh my gosh. Nung paalis na ako, di ba? Sabi ko, hala, wala akong dalang cash. As in zero, ha? Even yung car ko, guys, kahit paminsan dapat usually meron mga 10 pesos, 20 pesos, wala. As in zero talaga yung pera ko na yun. But I kept on seeing and I kept on remembering na, uy, meron pala ako nakikita na merong withdrawal or cardless withdrawal si PS Bank. Back then, meron akong PS Bank account. Specifically, kasi si PS Bank, yung bank account ko for my home loan. Kasi during that time, mga 3 years back, 2 years back, siya yung una kong home loan. Siya rin lang yun naman yung home loan ko. And then, sabi ko, naalala ko, oh my gosh, meron akong PS Bank na account. And nakita ko may ATM doon na may PS Bank. So sabi ko, alam kong gagana to eh. Kasi meron akong nabasang may cardless withdrawal siya. Bogus guys, buti na lang gumana siya. And yes, nakapag-withdraw talaga ako. Kaya parang naalala ko, oh my gosh, ang saya nito. And that's why I created that video. Kasi sabi ko, oh my gosh, guys, kailangan nyo ng PS Bank mobile app. Meron kayong PS Bank mobile app, pwede kayo mag-cardless withdrawal because it really saved me. Anyways, yan yung short story ko dyan. I actually have PS Bank for almost 9 years now. 9 years na siya. Kasi this is the first bank that I got my home loan. Siya yung nag-approve sa home loan ko ng very first property ko. And siya rin yung walang kahirap-hirap sa akin because partner bank siya ng developer ko na yon. And then, sobrang smooth yung process. And then, sabi ko nga, ay, fairness ha, okay talaga siya. And what I love about it is also the same thing. What I always give as a recommendation, kung saan malapit yung branch sa bahay mo, usually, that's a good place to have a relationship with that bank. It's because hindi ka tatama rin pumunta sa bangko just in case you need to go. But what I want to do for this video, syempre, I have a lot of these kind of videos previously, di ba? Let us make a video na reviewing the mobile app. And of course, ipapakita ko sa inyo and ano yung mga notable features for the PS Bank mobile app. Okay, so let's begin. So with that, syempre, I have my trusty old laptop ko na yan. But also, nandito rin naman yung aking mobile phone. And with the mobile phone ko, ang pinaka-importante dito guys, syempre, i-screen record rin natin siya. First and foremost, what I want to share here is when you go and look for your PS Bank mobile app, guys, you have other options here, di ba? Kung wala ka pa naman account sa PS Bank, you can open a new deposit account. Nandito rin naman siya. Pwede kayo magbukas ng isang account sa PS Bank. And all you have to do, sobrang dali lang siya, is one ID. You have to have your selfie. Guys, selfie naman pwede sa camera mo lang or camera phone mo. And then a few taps lang yan, you can definitely open your peso savings account wherever you are, di ba, in the Philippines. And ito yung mga some of the reminders that you might need. Now, importante rin dito that yung mga IDs na to kailangan either your national ID, Philippine passport, driver's license, UMID, SSS, PRC, postal ID, tapos or kung postal ID mo dapat yun yung may QR code. Make sure that it is your original and then dapat legitimate yung syempre yung ID mo na yan, di ba? So guys, if ever bago, wala ka pang account, you can open an account here. You just have to follow the steps and then a few taps lang naman siya. Ako, I do like having multiple accounts because if you have multiple accounts, definitely ang kagandahan dito, you can keep your money separate, di ba? When you have your money separate, at least alam mo, iba-iba yung functions niya. Kung isa for home loan siya. For savings mo siya. Now, since I do have my own account already with PS Bank, yes, pwede ka rin naman magbukas ng own account or ng new account mo rin here. All you have to do is just click on the menu bar icon dyan sa taas. And then, all you have to do is just scroll to my accounts. If you already have an account like me, pwede ka naman mag-open a new account. You just have to click the button sa lower left-hand side of the bottom portion. And you can open an account na ATM savings. Pwede ka rin mag-open ng prepaid MasterCard here, or you can even open your peso time deposit. And of course, you can definitely enjoy the cardless withdrawal feature na sinabi ko previously. So, yun yung pwede niyong gawin, di ba? If ever you need to open a new account. Some of the highlights rin ng PS Bank mobile app, if ever you have it na, you can also deposit your check. Now, sa check niyan, all you have to do is click on the menu icon sa taas, and then scroll down to deposit check. And then guys, some reminders here for deposit check, diba? You do not have to physically go to the branch kasi pwede ka na magbukas ng or pwede ka mag-deposit ng cheque mo all done to your mobile phone. Now, syempre, some of the reminders here lang. If you're going to read through all of the terms and conditions here, you have to click on I agree. Now, maximum amount for your check is 100,000 pesos lang. And then maximum total check deposit per month, 200,000 pesos lang yung pwede mong i-deposit via the mobile app ha. And when you click on proceed, you just have to click on which account mo gusto i-deposit, and then you have to enter the amount of your check, and then if ever you want to put some remarks, and then click on proceed, diba? If example, sabihin natin 100,000 pesos yan. And then all you have to do guys, make sure you follow the steps here rin. Sa taas ng check mo, dapat isulat mo yung PS Bank and then / account number mo and then take a photo. Then you're going to take a photo harap at saka likod ng check mo. Ganun lang po siya kasimple, and then you can definitely just deposit the check all done to your PS Bank mobile app. Bongga, diba? Next things next, you can also send money, pay for merchants, diba? All through your QR. Again, menu bar icon dun sa taas, click on the QR button, and then these are some of your fund transfer options. You can generate your QR para if ever kailangan mo mag-receive ng payment, pwede. Diba? If ever, papakita ko sa inyo, generate your QR and then proceed. And then makikita mo dito, nag-generate siya ng QR din. Pwede mo na i-send sa friends mo yan, whoever man to receive those payment. Okay, now, another option here that you can do, diba? For QR, you can also scan your QR. If ever you want to scan your QR, yung mga merchants na to, sa mga tindahan, yes, pwede ka mag-pay all through your PS Bank mobile app. Now, with this QR, don't forget guys, libre po siya pag merchant siya. How do you know it's a merchant? Usually, pag nakita niyo yung mga QR ng mga tindahan, makita mo rin dito if you're going to pay for it, libre po siya. Basta merchant QR, diba? So, tipid ka na rin sa cash in, cash out, transfer payments. Kasi nga, if ever may QR na siya, diba, merchant QR or store QR siya, dun mo na siya ibayaran. And of course, you can also definitely upload QR. For example, may kailangan kang bayaran, nag-send sila ng QR, just click on the upload QR button. And then, it will show you all of your different album, then pwede mong i-upload yun. So guys, meron pa siyang PS Bank Pasend. What I love about Pasend is, isipin mo para siyang remittance. So if ever meron kang papadalhan na walang PS Bank account or wala siyang bank account, walang problema. Ang kailangan nila gawin, pumunta sa PS Bank branch or sa Metro Bank ATM worldwide or nationwide. Nationwide, I mean. Then everything will just work. Okay, so all you have to do, menu icon, click on Pasend here, and then guys, you can create a request here. Think this way, it's like remittance, kung saan magpapadala ka ng pera, and then pwede na nila siyang i-withdraw kaagad. Guys, no IDs needed, kahit anong requirements, wala na, di ba? Cash agad siya. And then, di na rin nila kailangan pumila sa mga bangko or even sa remittance center. Ang bongga, di ba? So, click on create a request, and then click on which account you want. And then, here, the amount to be sent is from 200 pesos to 5,000 pesos. And then, magno-nominate ka ng 4-digit PIN. So, for example, lagay lang tayo ng 1,000 pesos, gusto natin ipadala, and then magka-create lang ako ng PIN. Siyempre, hide ko sa inyo yan, guys. And when you click on proceed, and then here, ilalagay mo lang lahat ng mga beneficiary details. First name, last name, mobile number, birthday, purpose, and relationship to sender. Do note lang, there will be a 25 pesos service fee charged sa account. So if ever you're gonna do this, ang recommendation ko, lakihan mo na siya. And then, you will send all of these details doon sa recipient mo, di ba, kung kapamilya mo yan or what. And all they have to do is just go to a PS Bank ATM or a Metro Bank ATM. Guys, nationwide na yan. Bongga, di ba? Then, what I also notice here is, guys, maraming mga billers rin si PS Bank. If you're going to click on the menu icon, click on Pay Bills, guys, ang dami rin niyang mga partners. For example, di ba? We're going to look at some pay bills here. What I love here, most especially, will be credit cards. Kasi dito mo makikita, marami siyang mga partner for credit cards. All of these are all partners niya. So, you can definitely pay for your credit card bills, all done to your app. And what I love about it, kasi guys, is sometimes may mga banks, konti lang yung mga partner billers nila. So for PS Bank, yes, marami siya sa credit cards mo. You have government as well. You have cables, charities, electricity, insurance, loans mo, clubs, schools, telco, water. Ang dami-dami mo pwede gawin. So guys, pwede ka rin mag-reload ng auto sweep mo and of course your easy trip. All you have to do is click on create a transaction, and then here guys, nakita mo lahat ng pwede mong gawin here, like fund transfer, QR, pay bills, pay toll, RFID. Click on that. And then guys, pay to unenrolled for now, syempre. And then choose, diba, auto sweep RFID man yan. Or if ever gusto mo ng easy trip RFID, nandyan lang siya. And guys, auto crediting yan. So when you create and proceed with the transaction, boosh, nasa loob na kagad yan ng easy trip mo or even yung auto sweep. Bongga, diba? Then also, kung gusto mo mag-grow yung money mo, definitely you can create your own time deposit. Here, sa main page mo, click on create a transaction. And then dito, scroll down to place time deposit. And then you can open your time deposit here. di ba? Enter an amount, di ba? Minimum mo for this one is 10,000 pesos. Let's just say 10,000 pesos. When you click on proceed, then you can choose kung ano man yung maturity that you want. So 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days dito. O diba? Pwede rin roll over principal and interest upon maturity. Guys, depending on you, ano yung gusto mong option. But everything is done through your mobile app. So that's another option for you. If ever you do want, your money to grow, that is an option. All done to your PS Bank mobile app then. And of course, before we end the vlog, pinaka-importanting feature na sinasabi ko kanina, diba, yung cardless withdrawal. Isipin mo guys, pwede ka mag-withdraw sa kahit anong PS Bank and Metro Bank na ATM. Nationwide yan. Kahit wala kang ATM, pwede mo siyang gawin, diba? If nakalimutan mo yung ATM mo, you need cash, pwede. Now, all you have to do, main page, click on create a transaction, and then scroll down, click on cardless withdrawal, and then dito, select your account, and then enter the amount. For example, gusto ko 2,000 pesos, and then I'm going to nominate a PIN, and then click on proceed, and then cardless withdrawal, ganito lang siya. Diba? Nandyan, enter all of your details, ganun lang siya kabilis, click on submit. Input lang natin yung one-time PIN na yan, and then after that, your request has been created. So, ang gagawin mo lang, pupunta ka sa ATM ng PS Bank or Metro Bank, enter the 6-digit system-generated PIN, and then enter your details na kailangan mo, and then lalabas na kaagad yung money mo. As in, ganun lang siya kasimple, di ba? Voila! Ang galing. And also, by the way, you also have a feature here sa PS Bank mobile app mo, guys, na if ever you want to do a quick view, di ba? Kahit hindi ka nag-login or nag-login sa app mo, makita mo magkano yung balance ng account mo. Parang, ano siya? Glimpse of magkano yung laman ng account mo. You check your balance every time you're going to do a transaction. At least alam mo, okay, magkano yung laman ng account mo. Yun po yung quick view function ng PS Bank. O, diba? And before I end this, yes, relatively, let's talk about the safety feature of the app. Yes, meron siyang lock and unlock card feature. So, if ever you do not need to use your card, meron siyang lock and unlock feature. So, ako, recommendation ko, if ever you're not using the card, wala kang transaction na kailangan, i-lock mo siya para ma-avoid mo lahat ng unauthorized transactions doon sa app mo. Para wala kang kailangan i-worry if ever, di ba, nawala yung card mo. And with that 9 years that I've been using with PS Bank, in fairness naman, guys, everything that I can just say is, it truly just works. The app is comprehensive. And to be honest, if I'm not mistaken, one of the early adopters talaga ng cardless withdrawal was really PS Bank Twin, to name a few, di ba? And sobrang simple lang niya, even from my home loan to now the cardless withdrawal, in fairness, bongga, diba? Sabi ko, wala akong nagiging problema sa kanya. So truly, guys, simple lang talaga with PS Bank. And don't forget to check out the PS Bank mobile app. Nasa Google Play Store yan, nasa Apple App Store yan, and of course, nasa Huawei App Gallery. I do hope na enjoy niyo yung video na to, highlighting some of my favorite features dito sa PS Bank na mobile app. So guys, if you have any questions, syempre comment down below and let me know what is your most favorite feature dito sa mobile app na to na pinag-usapan natin. And maybe you have some other videos that you want me to create in the future. Again, guys, I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye!